Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420D MSPORT GRAN COUPE here at YNC car. So of course we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. I'll go ahead and take a seat inside the vehicle. Once we're there we'll go through some of the interior features. The exterior itself is presented in the very nice Alpine white, and as you can see of course we fitted the full YNC car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. And we've gone for a very nice mixture of satin and gloss black. We've also gone ahead and added the 20-inch GTS Style Alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres, and they are once again also finished in gloss black. Moving down to the side of the car, you'll see the gloss black air breathers. At the front of the car, it is a 2017 plate, and we have the very nice Angel Eye xenon headlamps. Go ahead and give you a quick glance at the interior, which is the very nice black Dakota leather, which in the front has the heated seat function along with the electric lumbar adjustment. Interior trim is the aluminum and high gloss black. Moving on to give you a glance at the rear seats, where you'll find the Isofix rear bench and the centre folding armrest. Interior condition, it matches the exterior condition on this vehicle. It's all very nice, clean and tidy. Black headlining thanks to the vehicle being an MSPORT model. Moving on to the very rear of the car, where we find the high gloss black rear boot spoiler and high gloss diffuser. Open up the automatic opening and closing tailgate, as you can see there. Reveals the very large boot space. This can be made larger thanks to the fact that you do get the split folding seat function on the Gran Coupes. Onto the driver's side now, where once again we can see just how well the Alpine white works with the black of the YNC car Mperformance body styling kit. And once again, one quick last look at the stunning 20-inch GTS Style Alloy wheels before we head on inside to the vehicle, where of course I can talk you around some of the features in a bit more detail. Now we're sat inside the vehicle. First of all, you'll see the professional wide navigation and media screen. At the moment we currently have the DAB screen up, however you do get a wide array of other multimedia inputs. We've also got satellite navigation, of course, Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone. And if I click across to my vehicle and vehicle status, we can have a look at the service history for the vehicle. As you can see there, it has got full BMW service history. We've also got dual climate control with the heated seat function. It is the 6-speed manual. And as you can see, we're on this lovely multi-function MSPORT steering wheel. We've got the cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume control. The vehicle itself has covered just over 32,000 miles. And if we click back here, you will see it is coming up due for some front brake pads. They are going to be carried out within the next day or so. So fear not, the vehicle will be made available within the next day. We do have the brake pads on site and they will go into our workshop to be carried out. No problem at all. Everything else within the service requirements is all in the green. The vehicle service is not due for the next 17,000 miles. And as you've already seen, it has got full BMW service history. We are going to be carrying out the brake pads in-house. Okay, so that will finish off our walk around for the 420D MSPORT GRAN COUPE here at YNC car. As always, I do hope you found the walk around video useful. If you do require any further information, there will be a link down below in the description to our website, where you can of course find out all the pricing and finance options for this vehicle and all of our other wonderful cars we have in stock. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care. We hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.